can't ever have too much butter. Viral cheddar bay biscuit pot pie with Iowa sweet corn. Let me show you how I made it. Here's some almost thawed out chicken that is pre-seasoned because we didn't cook it last weekend, so I throw it back in the freezer. Wash my hands. This chicken has a beautiful caramel color on it. It's nice and seared. Go ahead and take this out of the pan, set it to the side. This had been marinating in a blend of olive oil and a bunch of salt, pepper, garlic, a ton of seasonings. Adding in 1 chopped yellow onion, a whole bunch of carrots, and some celery. This is the base for our pot pie. I'm letting this saute for a second while I cut my corn off the cob. This has been sauteing for a few minutes. I added some salt, got about a teaspoon of kosher salt. Also add in this sweet corn. This is 4 ears of sweet corn cut straight off the cob. All I did was wash this. It's gonna cook in with the sauce. One of my favorite seasonings in cheddar bay biscuit pot pie is Old Bay. I have a partial bag of sweet peas in the freezer, so we're gonna add a few of these as well. Same size as the rest of our vegetables, so why not just go heavy on the veggies tonight? Fiber packed meal right here. Butter's been hanging out on the counter for the last few days because we've been eating sweet corn, and I'm afraid to use it in anything else because there's probably like sweet corn juice on the top. Let's add a couple of tablespoons in here. I think the flavor, just flavor, amplify, why not? Great use for your sweet corn butter. This is a pot pie, so let's go ahead and start our creamy part of this. We're gonna make a roux, adding in 3 to 4 tablespoons worth of flour. We're eyeballing it tonight. Mix that in to cook the flour for a few minutes. Adding in some chicken broth. And somebody mentioned to me today they made sweet corn chowder earlier this week. That might be on my menu for next week. It sounds so good with Old Bay in it. Oh, I don't know what I'm obsessed with more, sweet corn or Old Bay right now. Heavy whipping cream. Always give it a sniff if it's been open. This stuff smells great. We're going to finish up the rest of this. That was probably 6-ish ounces. Is this enough pepper for Courtney Cook? If the answer is no, keep going. You can stop anytime you want. It's a perfect time to add that chicken back in. Be sure to get all of the juices. That's all flavor. It does seem like a teeny weensy amount of chicken compared to the vegetables that are in here. Oops. I made some homemade cream of mushroom a few nights ago. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out after this. I want to add just a little bit of this in here. It has such good flavor. That looks so good. I home make all of my cream of soups. I've got some cream of celery soup that's coming for you guys soon. Always keep cream of mushroom in the freezer. We go through it so fast. I don't love the stuff out of a can. I think it has a funky flavor. It's just a personal preference. Biscuits, cheese tacks. Mixing this up according to package instructions. Probably added a little extra cheese. I don't care. Ice cream scoop, biscuit mix. Drop them on here. And don't worry, they're gonna spread out. They'll take up more space. More biscuit there. I love making this on a night where I want to have leftovers the next day. Gosh, I can't even explain to you guys. It's so good for leftovers. No biscuit dough left behind. They're here. We're gonna pop this in the oven. I'll show you when it's done.
I'm trying to stop her and watch TV because I can smell that foot here. So.
Oh yeah.
So
the butter mix. Just use the rest of that sweet corn butter. Adding in that herby seasoning right into that. It's probably gonna be too salty. I know it'd be too salty for my mom. Salt is too salty for my mom. It's actually really good. The last thing I'm doing to this is putting on a little bit of that butter just to make my mom mad. I'm using my little brush again. Just a tiny bit right on top of these biscuits. Thanks for sticking around.